Are you looking for a house in South Madison that is zoned for Madison City Schools? Where I've got the house for you. Stay tuned and check it out. Alright, so welcome back. We're going to take a look at 150 Rosemary Ayers Drive in Madison, Alabama. I did a walkthrough of this property already. You can click the link in the top corner there and get a feel for how the house is laid out, see all the finishes, see where the rooms are located, and how to go from the front of the house to the back house and to the backyard. So it's a really great video just to show you how all that's laid out. But here, this is the property. It's a little over 2,000 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, Madison City Schools. It's located in the Crossings at River Landing in South Madison. Zip code 35756. And if you wanted to look at it by zip code to see what all is located there, I'm going to go over where this is located and what it's close to here in a minute. But you can get this listing on Zillow, Realtor.com, Valley MLS. Go to justinforehand.com and see it there as well. But like I said, beautiful property. There's some pictures of drone pictures of the neighborhood. It does have a privacy fence, but nice wainscoting in the entryway. Got hardwood floors throughout the main part of the house. Office up front, granite countertops in the kitchen, gas stove. As you can see, it's very open. A lot of natural light from these windows in the back of the house here, and also the back door. I can go on about the pictures. I also post that link to that video in the description, just in case you didn't catch it when it came up in the corner and you want to go back and look at it. So just a little bit about the neighborhood that it's in. It's in River Landing. It is a combination of small little neighborhoods. There's a way this is split up. There is 2 neighborhoods, the Crossings and Rivers Landing, which is down here, that are Madison City Schools. All the rest are Huntsville City Schools. So that is a good selling point for this neighborhood. As you know, that Madison City Schools are one of the highest rated school districts in the state of Alabama. The neighborhood has a pool. We can zoom in. It has a pool, clubhouse, kid clubhouse, a gym, basketball court. You have tennis and pickleball courts. And then as we zoom back out, you can see where it's located in between Waltrana Highway and Zert Road. And if you zoom out even further, you can see that Huntsville International Airport is right down the road. If you're worried about noise, it's not too bad. Every so often there might be a plane that takes a flight path over the neighborhood, but too often I don't even notice that they're there. And sometimes it's pretty cool to see, like you might be driving down Boeing Boulevard here and a plane come right overhead as you're driving down the road. That's happened a couple times. Martin Road, one of the main roads that if you work on Redstone that you are familiar with. Gate 7 is right here to Redstone Arsenal. It's literally like 6 miles from the house. So if you work on Redstone, especially on the west side of Redstone, this is a good location. There's a Publix here, a couple other little places to eat, pet store. If you keep going further north, on each side of Waltrana or Zert is Town Madison. You have Cracker Barrel here, the Chick-fil-A. Then you have Toyota Field and all of Town Madison, all the places to eat here. As you can see, we'll zoom in. You got J. Alexander's, you got a Starbucks, you got Outback, Prohibition, Super Chicks, Slim Chickens, and there's just all kinds of stuff. Taco Mama. But if you know anything about Town Madison, you know it's a fairly nice place, and this house is right down the road from it. Also, what is good about this property is it has quick access to the interstate, where you can get anywhere within Huntsville area within probably about 30 minutes or so. And, you know, of course, that's gone up just because of traffic. It used to be 20 to 30 minutes, probably about 30. But see here, exit 9 takes you east or west on 565, or you can come down Zert and turn on to Madison Boulevard, and it exits out onto 565 from this ramp here. But as you can see, it's takes about 9 minutes to get to the interstate, so it's still a pretty good location. You also have a Walmart here, so you have a Publix, and then there's also another Publix here, and then a Walmart here. So very close to groceries if you need them. There is also a Dollar, I think it's a Dollar General on Martin Road, and it's located somewhere down here. There's a Subway and a couple other places to eat. There's also a new youth center going in. Yeah, it's Martin Road Recreational Center, so it's going to be very close as well. That'll be good if you have children and need something to do during the summer. It's a good place for them to go. And then we'll zoom out. We'll change glare to well, can't get that to work. But as you can see, it's not too far from 255 if you need to go north to 72, and you can also just hop on 565 to head to downtown or South Huntsville. Usually very quick access to the interstate. Of course, like I said, Redstone, it's a good location if you work at like NASA or FBI or something like that. It's all over here on the west side of Redstone. So you can go in this gate here and you're right there within probably 10 to 12 minutes of leaving the house. Another thing, if you like to fish, it is very close to the Tennessee River. There's a couple of places here, and then well, I think this location here that you can go if you like to fish. So as you can see, it's in a pretty good location. Very quiet out here. If you like to ride bikes or run, this Swancott is a good place to do that. They have really large shoulders on each side of the road, and you can feel fairly safe while you're out there. And there's plenty of mileage that you can get riding out here where all these fields are. So that is the location of 150 Rosemary Ayers. As you can see, prime location, good schools, and quick access to anything in the Huntsville area. If you have any questions about the property, feel free to reach out. My phone number is 256-542-0226. I'd love to answer any questions you may have, or if you'd like to see the house, I'd love to set up a time where you can I can meet you there and we can let you in. All right, thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day.